All right, guys, we walked a long way already, but I elected to stay on the going downstream, the left side of the creek this time, because there's a trail there. It's always been there, but usually it's too muddy for my little sensitive self to go walking on. But today I decided to walk down it. All right, guys, we got a nice one on our spinnerbait. Sorry I didn't have the whole thing on camera. Oh, that's a 3-pounder right there on the spinnerbait. Oh, yep. Dang, 3-pounder on the spinnerbait here at the little creek. The War Eagle, he bit right as soon as I got it down there. He took a smack at it. So big spinnerbait, little crick. Oh, got one. Got another one, guys. Oh, dang it. Through the hook. Kind of in that same spot where we caught that 3-pounder. Got one. There we go. Oh, it was another 2-pounder that got off. Dang it. Damn. Is that what Florida Evan said? It's thick with him down here. I don't think he'll bite again, so if he does, he's dumb. Oh, got him. Nope, got a little one. Little Sunny, I think, yeah. Oh, we got a good one, guys. Oh, son of a bitch. Lost another 2-pounder. All right, we're not going to miss the 1-pounder right here. We're going to catch a 1-pounder out of this thing right here. And we're not going to miss it either. Not like I have been doing. It's probably right below us. There we go, we got him. Told you we catch a 1-pounder out of here. Yep. Don't ask me how I knew that, but some things you just know. Yep. Little football. Maybe 3/4. Pretty close though. Pretty close to what we called. All right, so we got a good little spot over here. By the look of things, probably not a 2-pounder in here, probably more like a 1/2 pounder, but we'll see. Oh. Yeah, 1/2 pounder. All right, not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, we gotta be getting to the end of this thing here soon. Can't imagine that we are a long way from where we started. Oh, got one. There we go. Oh, he's pulling too. Don't go into that gunk, guys. Did he bring us under there? Nope, he's getting us under that bank. There we go. All right, another nice one. Little crick, big spinnerbait. Yep, another nice one. All right. He was pulling us right underneath there. If that was another pound on him, I don't think we could have gotten him out from underneath that bank because the current was moving into it too. So we're fighting the current plus him, and he pulled us right into there. Oh, guys, we got a good one here. Another, pounder. But he pulled like he's 6 pounds. All right, another skinny one, but long, pretty long. Yep. Let's try him. All right, guys, you probably can't see anything, but I'm gonna do my little outro right now for our small crick, big spinnerbait ending. I was walking as fast as I probably could. I'm sweating like a fool, and it's like 65 degrees out. And it took us about 32 minutes to walk. And that's not going next to the creek either. That's going straight through the woods or on this trail that we found. It was a long walk, I'm not gonna lie. So average person, I don't know, you could walk what, a mile in maybe 13 minutes. So I would venture to say it was about 2 miles away, give or take a lap around the track, which is 400 meters. But yeah, so we had some fun, caught quite a few maybe, but lost 3, I would say, venture to say, between 1.5 to 2.5 pound. Yeah, so they're pretty nice. But we caught them all on our 3/8 ounce War Eagle Spinnerbait. First time I ever used one of these. I have quite a few of them. I have like 6 of them. This is the first time I used one.